So tonight I'm going to show you how to do a cake topper. Let's do the very popular happy birthday. So I've just typed happy birthday. My width is on the birthday here, up here, 106. Here is 215. It's a bit big. I'm going to just drop that down a little to make that about 150. Let's go with that. So that's 45. Just going to change that sizing as well down to 45. Okay, now just going to put them close together so I can group them. Let's have a look, zoom in a bit. And what I'm looking for is that the words are touching in a couple of points to be able to secure it neatly to form a strong base. Need that B also attached. I want that D. Let's see, it's not quite there yet. Just going to pop it up a little bit bigger. Give me that little bit of flexibility there. Let's have a look. So I'm touching there. I still missed it up here. Got it here and I missed it there. Just going to make that touch bigger. Okay, so now I'm touching here. Plenty there. All right, let's see how that looks. Okay, so I'm just going to select the whole lot, come over to our functions over here. This is our weld function and it will do all the hard work for you. Okay, so that's grouped it all together. Next we want to add our stem, so let's make a square, rectangle actually. I like to make mine about the 5mm thick and about 100. Okay, so coming back here to the move function, going to attach it over here. As long as it is here again touching. Got a little bit of room there, just to make that a bit neater. Okay, so then I'm going to start from the top left hand corner and select all of our design. If I start from the bottom, I don't have to have all of the text in the area as long as it's already grouped. Okay, so if I want it all, I just go from the top part. This one you don't have to, but you need to make sure that it's all grouped. Okay, so selecting it all, and we're just going to weld that together. And this part here, I'll just undo that, show you what we're looking at here. Zooming in. Okay, and we're just going to weld. That takes that out for us. So there's your cake topper. So then after you've got your design created, come up over and put in our speeds and our power. So I'm going to leave that set already. This was cutting, I think it was MDF that I was cutting. So speed of 30, max power about 80. And because I'm cutting, I'm using the air assist, making sure that's on and checking that there is only one pass that I'm doing. Clicking OK here, select our text, our design, and I want to send it. Okay, so another thing I'm going to check before that, the start job, the job origin, most of the time we use in the top left, and that's that green point here that's saying where it's going to start the job from. I can then send it, but it's not going to send for me because I'm not connected to the laser. Alrighty, hope that helps.